Are you thinking of scaling your B2B business by acquiring new clients? Now, if you're thinking that you can do this by joining some groups or relying on your existing networks and partners to give you the leads and appointments of your ideal clients, then you can skip watching this video. But on the other hand, if you really want to take charge and build a lead generation system that can give you consistent leads and appointments of qualified prospects, and so that you can grow your sales, then here is something I want you to listen to. My name is Prashant Godrehar. I'm a partner at Growth Aspire. I've been helping businesses to scale their sales success by helping them using the right set of sales tools and technology. And here's a 5-step B2B lead gen system that has helped us to scale our business as well as many of our clients. And it involves right from selecting the right target audience, creating a list of prospects whom you want to target, who is the right target audience, and attracting them with the right content so that it establishes you as authority and expert in that field, and nurturing them using platforms like LinkedIn, and finally engaging them with a follow-up system. Now, I'm doing a workshop where I'm going to show you exactly how you can implement this blueprint using LinkedIn so that you can start growing your professional brand, build connectionships, establish relationships with your ideal prospects, and start getting appointments and sales. And I'm going to show you also exactly how LinkedIn can become the #1 lead generator for your business. So all that you have to do is to click the link below and register now so that you can save your spot. So this is a live interactive training, so click the link below to register and I will see you.